Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So in this video, we'll see how you can use the caches. Okay, so cache. So you can see here the slider. Okay, so I have added here some additional slides, but it is not coming here on my site. This is WordPress, and so you can install the plugin saying the cache. I am here under my admin panel of this site, that is PrepDC, and I will search here in case it is already installed. Yes, so light cache you can see is already installed. You can see here on the top left, sorry, bottom left, you can see the second one, the light speed cache. Here you can see the smart slider. Come here, you can click on this. Then you can go to the dashboard. And here you can see the home page sliders. If I edit this, I can only see the three slides here. If I go back, suppose I have to add one more here. Slide, let's see, this one. Now I save. So I added through a smart slider, I added one more slide here. And now let me try replacing this page and see whether it is reflecting or not. Yes, still it is showing the only three slides. Now I have added here the fourth one, just added. So this is not coming just because of the cache is not clear here. Okay, so under action you can clear the cache. Okay, so if you click on this clear caches, let's see. Yeah, it's a success. And if I go back to my site and refresh, I still see the three only. Okay, because there is some more issue around the cache. Now you will find here there is already installed plugin called light cache. Okay, so under light cache I will be able to clear the caches. Okay, so if you see here the light caches, the dashboard will find the preset general caches list, and you'll directly have to go to toolbox, from where you will find the option to clear the cache. Which type of cache you want to clear? For font page cache, you can see one by one here. For all ls cache, opcode cache. So these are, but in case you are not sure which cache should I clear, so you can go for all cache. Okay, so I will click on this per all, and you see the per all caches successfully. Now if I go back to my site and refresh this page, I can see the fourth one. Okay, so this is how you can clear the cache. Okay. So that's it from this video. Thank you for watching.